What's up guys? Hi, hello, it's Katelyn Rose. I look crazy right now. So I post beauty and lifestyle videos every single Monday here on my YouTube channel, and occasionally I'll post on Wednesdays for a weekly vlog Wednesday. It's not always going to be a weekly vlog. Sometimes it'll just be like a fun video that's not necessarily like a beauty or lifestyle video. So Wednesdays are just like a fun day on my channel, and then Mondays I'll have the beauty and or lifestyle videos for you. So this time around we're doing an Ariana Grande inspired makeup look from the Rain on Me music video. Actually two makeup looks, because she had two so super amazing makeup looks in that video. Like, bravo to the makeup artists who worked on that video, because they did amazing. So I just decided to work with what I have in my own makeup collection to recreate the looks. This is the really like fierce black and gold look that Ariana had in the first part of the video, and then in the later part of the video she had a sort of white graphic liner. And keep in mind, this is just like an inspired tutorial. I'm not like doing step by step exactly, you know, what was done on Ariana, because I'm sure it took a lot of expertise and it was probably pretty expensive. And also, I don't know why I did this, but I decided to try out magnetic lashes for the very first time when doing this video. So hopefully you guys have fun seeing me struggle super hard with these magnetic lashes. And make sure to follow me on my other social medias, because we have a lot of fun over there and you will get some more awesome fun content from me, and I would love to just have you as a friend on my channel or my social media. So that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Alrighty guys, so for both of these looks we're just going to be focusing on the eyes. So I do already have my face makeup done and my eye primer on, and I'm just going to be laying down a basic nude eyeshadow onto my lids to act as a blank canvas for all of the graphic eyeliner. Then I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio white eyeliner, and I'm using this to just roughly map out where I want the eyeliner to be, and I'm just sort of copying the way that Ariana had it on her eyes. So I'm drawing the line along my crease and then winging it out and then bringing it below my lower lash line. Most of this look is just getting the white eyeliner where you want it to be and then cleaning it up so that you have nice sharp lines. And a quick tip for getting those sharp lines with your white eyeliner is to kind of just pull your eye just a little bit so that you get a cleaner line. You don't want to pull too hard, obviously, because your eye area is very delicate. But if you don't have perfect skin like me, I did have to tug my eyes just a little bit to get those sharp lines. So now that we've got the basic shape of the white graphic liner down, I am taking a nude eye pencil and I'm using that to go along the edges of the white eyeliner to help clean things up. Then I'm taking a different eye pencil. This one is from Wet n Wild, and you want to make sure your eye pencil is nice and sharp for this. And I'm just going over those lines that we already made with the white eyeliner. And I found that this Wet n Wild eye pencil was just a little bit more pigmented, and since the tip was a little bit sharper, it made it a lot easier to get those clean lines. So I'm sharpening out the wing, going over the crease lines, and just making everything a little bit more cleaner. As you can see, since I'm using pencil liners, it's not completely clean cut. So I'm taking a white eyeshadow. This one is from the Lemonade Craze palette from Maybelline. It actually has a little bit of a yellow undertone to it. I'm just taking that on an angled brush and then going over all of that white graphic liner. And using an eyeshadow on top of the liner will not only help it stay in place, but it's going to make the lines look a little bit more clean. You won't see all of those jagged edges, and it'll just kind of bring the whole graphic liner look together. And after I laid the white eyeshadow on top of everything, I went back in with the Wet n Wild pencil and just did any detail work that I needed to do to clean up the look of the liner. Now I'm taking a black liquid liner. This one is also from Maybelline. I'll have all of the products listed down below, but I'm basically just creating a black wing on the inside of the white graphic liner. And you want to make sure the edges of the black wing and the white wing kind of match up. And then I had a little bit more cleaning up to do with the white liner, so I just took a little bit of concealer, just use that to clean up the edges a little bit more. So then it's time for mascara. So I'm putting some mascara on my lower lashes and a little bit on my upper lashes. And Ariana Grande always has amazing, fluttery, beautiful lashes, so I decided to go with these magnetic lashes from Kiss. These eyelashes, oh man, you guys. There's definitely a learning curve with these magnetic eyelashes. It comes with this little like black applicator contraption thing, which I personally didn't really like. I kind of messed up a few times, and then I just tried to do it with my fingertips, and that actually ended up working a lot better. So after many attempts, I got the magnetic lashes on, and then I'm taking that white matte eyeshadow and just lightly dusting that on the inner corner to help brighten up the entire eye. So for highlighter, I'm using this cream highlighter. This is called the Glow Pop highlighter, and I use this because it has a purplish, bluish undertone to it, and this whole look was very like mauve and purple toned, so I thought that was a perfect little touch. And then going into my Morphe blush palette, I used the mauve shade, which is right in the middle, and then going in with this sort of rose gold color highlighter, I went over top of the cream highlighter to really make sure that highlight was poppin'. You want to make sure you're applying highlighter to all of the high points of your face so that you get a nice glow. Now using the NYX Suede liquid lipstick, I am applying that all over my lips, and I thought this was the perfect like neutral nude shade to use for this look. My applicator actually broke off of this liquid lipstick, in case you're wondering why my applicator looks like that. It looks really weird, but I really like the product, so I continue to use it. And after that liquid liner has dried down, then I just took a nude lip gloss. This is the Arbonne glossed over lip gloss. It's my favorite nude gloss ever. It's so pretty. So I just put that right on top, and that was the perfect finishing touch to this first look. So now it is time to move on to the black and gold look. Now, you guys, I know this is not an exact recreation of her look, but it's just an inspired look. It's something fun, and in the end, I really loved how the look turned out. So I just applied a little bit of a white matte eyeshadow on the inner corners to brighten up my eyes, and then applied a gold cream shadow to my lids. Then I took my DIY eyeliner stickers. Yes, I did cut these by myself out of some gold glitter paper, but it was really, really fun. If I could redo the eyeliner stickers, I would try and make them a lot thinner, but it's okay. I really like how it turned out. So then I'm applying some tape where I want my wing to be, and it'll just act as a guide for us to get a nice sharp winged liner. So I'm using this NYX matte liquid liner. It has a nice brush tip, so it makes it pretty easy to get a really dramatic wing. And when you apply the black liquid liner, you want to make sure it just sits right below that gold liquid liner. I mean, gold eyeliner sticker. So now that we have our eyeliner down, we're gonna move on to the gold rhinestones. This part was so much fun. So I have some bigger rhinestones and some smaller ones, and I just kind of mixed it up. So for the bigger rhinestones, you want to place one on the inner corner of your eye, sort of right where the gold sticker ends, and then one right below the brow bone. And then you can move on to the smaller gold rhinestones. For the smaller ones, I placed one right on the outer part of the gold eyeliner sticker. And I also placed one on the very inner corner of my eye, and then one more right in the middle of the black liquid liner. I really enjoyed the look of these rhinestones with the whole look. It really just made everything pop. I thought it looked really cool. So once you have all of your gold rhinestones in place, then we can move on to the bottom lash line. So I'm just lining the inner rim of my eye using a black eyeliner, and then using a small pencil brush and a black eyeshadow, I'm going to blend that out a little bit. And then I'm going to blend that out even further using a brown eyeshadow. So this will give you that really smoky, dramatic look. Then it was time for me to struggle with these magnetic lashes again. I had a hard time with these, I'm not gonna lie. I really liked the effect that it gave my eyes once I finally got them on, but yeah, it was definitely a struggle to get them on. It takes some practice. Not really sure if I'm going to be using these on a regular basis. Maybe if I practice a little bit more and get really good at applying them, but I'm just gonna be honest, I don't really see that happening. I'm probably just gonna go back to using normal strip lashes. So then I'm taking some mascara and applying that on my lower lashes. And we can't forget to highlight the brow bone. So I'm just taking a small brush and some highlight from this Physicians Formula palette and just applying that right under the brow bone. And then for blush, I needed a really nice like bronzy kind of blush look. So I just mixed these two colors from my Morphe palette to get a nice bronze blush. And in case you're wondering, I did already apply my contour when I did my base makeup. So then we're going to be highlighting. What I like to do is take a really nice natural highlight. This one is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. And this is a really natural sort of highlight, so I'm just kind of applying it all over the place. And then I'm taking a more intense highlight like this one from Physicians Formula, and I'm just applying that to the high points of my face. So this will give you a really glowy, dewy look. And then I had to go and adjust my eyeliner a little bit. It just wasn't as dramatic as I wanted. So I made the wing a little bit bigger and just sharpened everything out. Now that the eyes are done, we can move on to the lips. So I'm using this liquid lipstick from Milani, and I thought that this liquid lipstick would be a little bit darker, but it's actually a really warm, neutral nude color. So I just applied that and let it dry down, and I went over it using this MAC lipstick. I believe this is the Captive lipstick. And it has some like berry purple undertones to it. So I applied that to the outer part of my lips to kind of act as a lip liner. And I just blended all that in with my finger and then went over top of everything using the same Arbonne Nude Lip Gloss. So here is the finished look. It's definitely a very dramatic look, very different for me, but it was so much fun to recreate, and I love how it turned out in the end. Keep in mind all of the makeup products I used in this video will be linked down below. Let me know what you thought of these makeup look recreations in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. And that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell before you leave so you're notified when I upload new videos. And feel free to follow me on my Instagram or other social media. I would love to have you over there as well. And I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.